Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use cycles in Linear for sprint planning. First, open the Linear website and sign into your workspace. On the left side, look under the Teams section and find your workspace name. Click the three dots next to the workspace name to open the Options menu. From the drop-down menu, select Team Settings. Next, enable the Cycle Toggle option. Once cycles are enabled, you can configure how your team will use them for sprint planning. First, choose the cycle duration. This controls how long each cycle lasts. A common choice is 1 or 2 weeks, depending on your team's workflow. Next, select the start day. This determines which day of the week each new cycle automatically begins. For example, you can choose Monday. You can also set a cooldown period. This is an optional break between cycles that can give your team time for planning, reviews, or technical debt work. Finally, configure future cycles. This setting determines how many upcoming cycles Linear will automatically create for future road mapping. After configuring these settings, go back to your workspace and open any issue. In the issue details, find the cycle assignment option. You can then assign the issue to a specific active cycle or a future cycle. This makes it easier to organize tasks, plan upcoming work, and track progress during each sprint. Thanks for watching.